This train I have boarded was not going anywhere, so I just went downstairs and I bought a ticket to Chiasso. So first I will enter into Switzerland. Chiasso is a city. It comes in Switzerland, Swiss network. See the train here, Chiasso train. 5 minutes delay. So here trains are always delayed. See, Renault. That's why I want to enter into Switzerland. And I spent some in the evening, till even in the evening, night, 7 o'clock. Then I will return from Switzerland. So I just want to escape from here now. 5 minutes delay. So this Renault train, looking bit old. They are fine, but just slight delays. So it is not a problem. So we have to, schedule trains, schedule connections within 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes max. We have to give. Otherwise, our trains will be delayed. So I'm just going to Chiasso by this train. Only 6-7 minutes, 10 minutes max in this train. Then I reach Chiasso. From Chiasso, I will take beautiful Swiss train. Goodbye to Como or Lake Como, because it is busy. My plan, I am going to Lugano now, because for easy train to Zurich I have to pay. So I will take this train. Italian train with collaboration with Swiss. So that's why my Swiss pile is valid. I am going to Lugano. This train. I am getting down from this train. Now it is 2:54. So I have a train to Zurich via Gotha tunnel. That is the longest tunnel in the world. 57 kilometers. It crosses in 20 minutes. So it will go to Zurich via Arthau, Goldau, Zug. So I am taking the train from 3 to platform 3 at 3:02 p.m. So then I am totally into Swiss network, where I can no need to waste time, and trains are very fast and efficient. This is platform 4, but I can't cross it. I just have to go down and cross. So I am going to take that beautiful IC train, IC2 double Swiss app. I have installed Swiss app. I will take this IC2 from 3 to platform 3. It will go to Zurich HB via Bellinzona, Altarf, Arth, Goldau, Zug via Gotthard base tunnel. So I have to go to platform 2. So I don't have enough time. So only 5 minutes. I take this train, beautiful train, my favorite train, one of the favorite trains in the world for me. So it is platform 3, sorry. I have to get into second class. So this is first class actually. I am taking this train to Zurich.
Train crew welcomes you on the Intercity 2.
Entire upper deck is empty. I am just going to sit in somewhere near. Excellent. So this is my last day in Switzerland with my pass in this trip. So I definitely come back. So this is Bellinzona. I came here yesterday by bus from Chur. So now I am again going to Zurich. So Bellinzona is first stop, then Arthau, Goldau, Zug, and then Zurich. I just go there and come back in next train. So Zurich I have already spent 1 day. So don't want to spend too much time, because I have to come back to Milan. Live in Bellinzona. See the beautiful Swiss IC trains, double deck, and 10-hour Trilo, the collaboration between Italy and Switzerland trains. They're not good like IC. IC is excellent, efficient, punctual, neat. Everything is positive for IC. Gotthard base tunnel, 57 kilometers. It crossed in 18 minutes. Excellent. So I saw that it crosses 200 kilometers per hour. So 17 or 18 minutes it finished this tunnel. This is the longest tunnel in the world. So we can't see anything. It is complete dark for 18 minutes or 20 minutes max. So now we are entering into one more city in Switzerland.
Voralpen Express Richtung Biberbrunn Traffic con St. Gallen, Sector 6, Gleis. Gentili viaggiatori, a breve raggiungeremo la stazione di Arto-Goldau. Il nostro treno arriva sul binario 4, siete pregati di scendere dal lato sinistro, attenzione in corsa, questo treno prosegue per Zurigo. Prossimi collegamenti Interregio 27 Lucerna Olten alle ore 16:15, partenza dal binario 5, mentre l'Interregio Voralpen Express per Biberbrunn Traffic con Rapperswil San Gallo 16:16 dal binario 6.
Zug, and it will reach Zurich at 4:55 p.m. So I'm just thinking about other alternate routes and options. From Zurich I want to go to Lucerne. So from Lucerne I just come to Arto Goldau from a different route because I don't want to take same route. And then Arto Goldau I will go to Lugano on a different route on the bypassing Gold. I got down from this train. So after traveling from Lugano, so now I have changed my plan. I will go to Lucerne. The train is at 5:05 from platform 5. So from Lucerne I will go back to Lugano in a different route, not the same route. Back to beautiful Zurich station. Excellent. Awesome. I didn't think that I will come again in this trip, but coming again. So now I have to go to platform 5. So platform 5, these are 21 to 32. Platform 5 to Lucerne. So this route I didn't take this trip, from Zurich to Lucerne. It is also a beautiful route. So I have to check now for platform 5:10. Sorry, not 5:5 to Lucerne via Zug. So I have to take this train. This train is ready. Beautiful train. So Lucerne. It is just 40 minutes journey. This is IR 70. IR means interregional. So IC means very less stops. Intercity, IR means interregional, more stops, but still double-decker. So I will sit in the top deck as usual. So enjoy my journey till Lucerne. So Lucerne is one of the best visiting places in Switzerland. It has got Lake Lucerne and Mount Titlis, Mount Pilatus. So I didn't explore much in this trip. I have already visited Mount Titlis in the year 2003, but Mount Pilatus is still remaining. So I will visit in my next trip probably. So it's always 1 week is not enough in Switzerland because it is excellent place. One of the top country in the world for me at least. This is Zug Lake. Some of the cities at least in Switzerland have lakes like Geneva Lake, Lausanne Lake, Zurich Lake. This is Zug Lake, Thun Lake, Brienz Lake, Geneva Lake. So they are all famous. Lugano Lake, Locarno Lake. So there are several lakes. They are formed because of melting glaciers in spring and in the summer. So all these lakes will be frozen. Some of them will be frozen during snow months, winter months. So I never visited Switzerland in winter months. So they just want to visit in the month of February. So everywhere we can see snow. Excellent. But travel will be difficult, trains, buses, because of heavy snow and during the winter months.